Welcome to the Math Show for the SAT with Mr. DeClerico. Today, we're going to look at a problem involving equivalent expressions. This is a tough one. The expression that can be written in the form a times x to the b, where a and b are positive constants and x is greater than 1. What is the value of a minus b? There are no options a through d for this problem. Try this one on your own, pause the video, and unpause the video when you think you have the correct answer. Okay, I'll assume we're ready to continue. The correct answer is 153/5, or if you prefer decimal, 30.6. Before we begin problem solving, let's look at some tips. The root of a product is the product of the roots. We're going to need to split up these roots containing products into more roots for simple problem solving. Also, we're going to need to use fractional exponents. We're going to need to convert from radical form to fractional exponent form. Let's begin. First, I'm going to take 9 to the 4th times x to the 20th and apply the fourth root to both of those factors. So I have the fourth root of 9 to the 4th and the fourth root of x to the 20. The root of a product is the product of the roots. I'm going to employ the same process for this second expression over here. The fifth root I'm going to apply to 2 to the 10 and to x squared. Now when I apply it to 2 to the 10, that's pretty easy. 2 to the 10, fifth root, is going to be 2 squared. We'll get to that in the next step. But over here, x squared, that's going to be a little more interesting. X squared, fifth root. How can I write that efficiently? Well, I'm going to need to use a fractional exponent. X squared, fifth root, is going to be x to the power of 2 over 5. Power over root. That's how we convert from radical form to fractional exponent form. Now we're going to say 9 to the 4th, fourth root is 9. 2 to the 10th, fifth root, as I've said, is 4. Those are pretty easy. X to the 20th, fourth root, is going to be x to the 20 over 4, which is 5. X to the 5th. Now I have x squared, fifth root, which will be x to the 2 over 5. Simplifying a bit more, I would say 9 times 4 is 36. X to the 5th times x to the 2 over 5 is x to the 5 plus 2 over 5. Power times power, add exponents. So I have x to the 27 over 5. Now I need to identify what a and b are, because I'm looking for ax to the b. I have it in that form. Now let's figure out what a and b are. A is 36. B is 27 over 5, or 5.4 if you prefer decimal. So then a minus b is going to be 36 minus 27 over 5, which is 153 over 5, or 30.6 if you prefer decimal. That's the answer to this problem, and if you got the correct answer, or you learned something in the process, here's a rabbit with a milkshake who thinks that you did a good job. Thanks for watching the Math Show for the SAT with Mr. DeClerico. Be sure to click subscribe, hit the like button, and all that good stuff.